only on 98.3 Mirchi. It's hot.
So today in Mirchi Hot Shot मेरे पास एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंसान है. एक तो ये होता है ना, हमारी जिंदगी में गोल्स होते हैं कुछ कि हमें अपनी पहली बाइक चाहिए, अपनी पहली बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड, पहली गाड़ी, पहला घर. ऐसा पहला घर वाला आता है सिचुएशन, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस होने लगता है, कभी लगता है कि हम कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे. Now this man is our expert in that industry and I am very very happy and so honored to speak to you on Mirchi Hot Shot 98.3 Mirchi. पर a very very good evening to Rajiv Kumar Das ji. He heads the sales and marketing for SD Corporation. शाहपुर जी पलवान जी जो हैं, ये जो पूरा ग्रुप वेंचर है दिलीप ठाकर का, एंड पिछले 17 साल से रियल एस्टेट की इंडस्ट्री में. 17 मतलब खतरा नहीं है यहाँ पे, 17 is going to lead to lots of good things. So a very warm welcome to you, sir. कैसे हैं आप?
Hi Prerna. Good evening and good evening to all your listeners. I've been doing well. सब कुछ चल रहा है अभी. Unlocking का process तो चालू है. And the big thing is that, as you rightly said, it's a roti kapda makan. I think that's a basic necessity for human life.
Yeah.
And the good thing is that हम जो घर बना रहे हैं, it's a part of that three basic things, roti kapda makan. So that is where I think, that makan is so emotionally connected to human beings. Whatever said and done, when you are buying or selling a home, both the side, whether a buyer or seller, both gets emotionally connected with the product. And that's a good thing about this category. The ghar kharidna, ghar bechna is so emotionally connected. A lot of emotion goes along with it. So we keep on saying that it's not about rational buying or selling. It's more of an emotional purchase, home buying. And that's a good thing, because anything which is emotional, that comes with a lot of love and affection. When you go to a site also, you need to see the experience. You don't see the physical product. When you are selling a home like a builder, we try to give an experience to the customer, that what's going to come up in 2-3 years, or if he is moving to a new house, how it's going to be. So that's experience selling. So that's what we keep on doing.
You have completed so many people's dreams. I want to ask you, ये कोविड का सिचुएशन, काफी सारे लोगों के ड्रीम्स जो हैं थोड़े से बैक सीट पे जा चुके थे. काफी सारे लोगों के प्लान्स ऑफ कोर्स नहीं हुए अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट दे प्लान्ड और अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर 5 टर्म गोल प्लानिंग. ये 5 साल में मैं ये करूंगा या करूंगी, राइट? सो ये कोविड सिचुएशन, आप बताइए राजीव सर, रियल एस्टेट को किस प्रकार से उसने अफेक्ट किया, या थिंग्स वर जस्ट अबाउट ओके?
See, if you see COVID last year, when the COVID started, obviously for the Q1, which is April, May, June, it was completely kind of lockdown position for real estate. People were thinking what's happening, let's take a back seat and think through what's required. But those 3 months, April, May, June of 2020, when the COVID started, people were at home, they were thinking that what needs to be done and all. That is where I think a lot of customers started thinking about the product. अब घर पे हो, then you realize that ये घर पे मेरा balcony नहीं है. Then you realize that there is a puja room missing. Then you realize that there is no room for me to work for office. There is no office kind of ambience that I'm being able to create at home. So there is no my room. There is no balcony. There is no puja room. Then you figure it out, there is a leakage happening on that side, that corner of home. So then you realize that what is required actually for a home, whether it's a product quality, whether it's amenities, whether you have a jogging track that you can take your kids down. If not outside, at least in your building, you should have something as a specification or amenity. So then you realize a lot of things. So this 3 months was a good period for a category like real estate and home, that people realized a lot of insights that what is really required. And that helped us, that when after Q1, in Q2, when the customer started coming to the site, they were clear that I need this, I need that. And that really helped us to pull the end users. So if you see last year, a lot of good developers, branded developers, did very well then 2019 or 2018. It's purely because customers were very clear what they want. And those are end users. And end users are always looking for a good brand who has delivered product, and where they can see the product that this company has delivered this product and I can see it. That's why I'll buy the new project with them. So the branded players, I think if you go by numbers, the branded players, they have increased their market share from 30% to 71%. So that's a kind of increased happiness purely because the end user wanted to pay you a bit extra but wanted a good quality, timely delivery, having a product with amenities and specification. So those are the things that the end user is looking for.
The next question I'd like to ask you is Rajiv sir कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर काफी अच्छे से हमारी जिंदगी में आ चुका है. कई सारे लोग जो मुंबई शहर में रेंटल प्रॉपर्टीज में रहते थे वापस अपने घर जा चुके हैं. अगले साल तक मे बी दे नॉट गोना कम बैक. क्या इससे प्रॉपर्टी की प्राइसेस पर असर पड़ता है?
प्रॉपर्टी का प्राइस दो चीज के लिए होता है. एक तो है कि आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड योर मार्जिन, बिकॉज एज अ डेवलपर, एज अ ब्रांडेड प्लेयर, you will have to make some margin, right? If not double digit but single digit, you have to make some margins, right? So it's a cost plus. So if a cost is going up, you cannot do with the prices. And we have seen in last 2 years, your cost for the commodities, your steel, cement, everything has gone up. As you rightly said, the labor cost has also gone up because the migrant laborers have gone up to an extent. So there's shortage of labor. So your commodity price has gone up, your labor cost has gone up. So you need to see that then the cost has to go up. There's no other way that you can justify the margin.
As an expert in the industry and in this entire situation, क्या आप टिप्स देना चाहेंगे कि रियल एस्टेट से प्रॉपर्टी खरीदते वक्त बायर्स को कौन से सर्टिफिकेशंस को चेक करना चाहिए, कौन सी चीजों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, and they'll be in for a treat and they'll be in for like the dream house that they've always hoped for?
Sure. I think it has to be, as in when we do any kind of product selling, we always think that you need to sell to an end user. So your product has to be designed in such a way that tomorrow when you are giving it to end user, the end user can enjoy the product. That means your amenities specification is very critical, that what kind of amenities and specifications you are giving. Second thing in real estate, which is very critical, is the location. It's like, movie runs with entertainment. Real estate runs with location. It's critical for you to look for a brand which has been delivering the product and a quality product is getting delivered. That is very critical for an individual. See, you may get a price differentiation today. If you're buying from a local builder, then a branded player, there may be 10% difference. But if that local builder gets the project delayed by 1 year, you are paying 14% premium because that is the interest.
क्या आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली आपके रिश्तेदारों के या दोस्तों के कॉल आते रहते हैं कि कुछ अट्रैक्टिव डील है क्या, कुछ दे सकता है क्या? Is it possible?
Absolutely. See, this is a human mind tendency, and I'll tell you one thing about home, which is very emotionally connected category. When you sell a home, you think that you're selling cheaper. But when you buy a home, you always think that I'm buying at a costlier product. But when you're selling the same thing, you think, यार ये थोड़ा और ज़्यादा मिलता, but मैं थोड़ा cheap बेच रहा हूँ. But when you buy the same product, you think नहीं थोड़ा cheap मिलना चाहिए, मैं थोड़ा costly दे रहा हूँ. So that is the mindset. You can't help it out. So you need to have a trade-off when you are doing this buying, selling of real estate and home.
The last question that I would like to ask you, Rajiv sir,
Sure.
because of just shortage of time and everything, there are lots of people who would like to work in real estate, but they probably think future prospects nahi hai ya pata nahi, they've got their own doubts of whatever sort. Any young listener or any person, even if that person has done koi dusra job and would like to get into real estate, any advice, any course, anything education wise that they can do?
Absolutely. See, when if you see real estate, people think that FMCG, retail, digital is the glamorous job that one need to get into. But I'll tell you one thing, when you do a kind of job, whether it's a sales, marketing, customer relationship, or any kind of particular aspect, you need to see whether the category is dynamic. That is where you get your energy level. If the category is not dynamic, then you don't get energy. But I'll tell you, real estate is the most dynamic category. The price keeps changing every week. Your demand supply mismatch goes for haywire if a new project gets launched in the micro market. your bank schemes, your bank loan, everything is kind of linked to your government process and government policies. So this is the most dynamic category one can have.
बहुत सारी बातें ऐसे हैं जो रियल एस्टेट के बारे में हम बैठे-बैठे अपना खुद का ही एक आइडिया बना लेते हैं, अच्छा हाँ, ये तो ऐसा ही है। So thank you so much for the clarity, thank you so much for segmentalizing, thank you so much for letting us know that it can be your dream job to sell a dream to somebody else. So thanks for the time and wish you all the
Thank
best,
you.
sir. And
Thank you, Prerna, for your time.
Mirchi Hot Shot. Mirchi Hot Shot. Only on 98.3 Mirchi. It's hot.